Hey guys, it's Lewis here. I'm 27 years old and I'm from the south coast of England in a town called Bournemouth. I'm the very lucky winner of the Bare Balls Trader free laptop giveaway on YouTube and I'm going to go collect it now. Join me. This is my brand new MacBook and I am so grateful for Andrew and everyone at Bare Balls Traders for giving this to me. This will certainly help me with my training career, especially as I travel and trade at the same time. My experience at Bare Balls Traders has been brilliant. I graduated from university receiving a first-class degree in accounting and finance. After this, I moved back home and joined a local financial advisor company where I was a trainee financial advisor for 3 years. After working and completing some exams, I decided there's more to life than the same four walls, right? As a result, I quit my job and travelled the world with my girlfriend. As we were sitting there on the beautiful beaches of Thailand, I opened this book that you may know called How to Day Trade for a Living. This book gave me an excellent introduction to the world of day trading stocks as opposed to investing in them. After completion of this book, I decided to take the next step and join Bare Balls Traders. After joining Bare Balls Traders, I completed the education section on their website, as well as joining the live stream every day. This process was extremely useful to get up to the speed of day trading and the technology used to do it, such as Dash Trader Pro. I feel like this accelerated my journey and put me on the right path. After this, I joined the last bootcamp at Peak Capital Trading. This experience allowed me to focus on just one strategy and develop it and backtest it. I'm now on my way to being able to complete my dream of being able to trade and travel at the same time, which is why I joined trading in the first place. I just want to say thank you once again to Andrew and everyone at Bare Balls Traders for giving me this laptop. Thank you very much and peace.